Hello student. In the previous session we derived an expression for displacement, velocity as well as acceleration. We also seen the cases where acceleration, velocity, displacement are minimum and maximum. So in this session we will derived an expression for amplitude, period and frequency of simple harmonic motion. Now for that, first of all, let us see what is amplitude of SH. Now let us consider a particle performing simple harmonic motion along the straight line MN. Here see, straight line MN. The center O of the MN is the mean positions of the particle. See here, O is mean position of particle. Now let us recall equation for displacement. We know displacement of a particle is x is equal to a sine omega t plus phi. For maximum displacement, the condition was sine omega t plus phi is equal to plus minus 1. Then only we will get x is equal to a. So x is equal to for x is equal to plus minus 1, sine omega t plus phi is equal to plus minus a. Now this x is equal to a is the maximum distance, that is this is nothing but this distance a is called amplitude of the SHM. Now what will be the definition of amplitude? The maximum displacement of a particle performing SHM from its mean position is called amplitude of SHM. Notation is capital A for amplitude. Next is period of SHM. Now the definition of period is the time taken by the particle performing simple harmonic motion to complete one oscillation is called period of SHM. Now if I have string over here and it is performing simple harmonic motion from this point to this point, from point A to point B, to now to complete this one oscillation, to coming from this to this, the time taken will be period of simple harmonic motion. Now again recall the equation of displacement to find out what is period of simple harmonic motion. Now equation for displacement is x is equal to a sine omega t plus phi. After time t is equal to t plus 2 pi by omega, displacement will be what? X is equal to a sine omega. We will substitute t plus 2 pi by omega instead of t. We will substitute t plus 2 pi by omega plus phi. Now a sine omega t, we will multiply omega to this bracket, omega t plus 2 pi omega upon omega. So omega will get cancelled. So we will get omega t plus 2 pi plus phi. Now we will get a sine omega t plus phi because this is the formula for identity of sine, that is sine pi plus theta is equal to sine theta. So we are again getting the same equation, that is x is equal to a sine omega t plus phi. What this shows us? This shows that the particle is at the same position after a time 2 pi by omega. This means the particle completes one oscillation in time 2 pi by omega. So our t will be equal to capital T. This is notation for period of SHM. So that will be equal to 2 pi by omega. This is the minimum time after which it repeats itself. So period will be equal to t is equal to 2 pi by omega. This is one expression for period of SHM. Now we also know omega square is equal to k by m. K is force per unit displacement. We know restoring force is equal to minus kx. So our k will be equal to force upon displacement. Therefore we can write k as force per unit displacement. Now this omega square is equal to force per unit displacement upon mass. Now omega square will be equal to acceleration per unit displacement. How it is? See here, k is equal to f upon x. So f we will put here in this equation, f by x upon m, that is equal to force is mass into acceleration. So x upon x into m, so mm will get cancelled, we will get acceleration upon a, that is acceleration upon x, that is acceleration per unit displacement. We are getting omega square. So this is omega square is acceleration per unit displacement. Now we know t is equal to 2 pi by omega, which we seen in our previous steps. So t will be equal to 2 pi by, now omega square was acceleration per unit displacement. So we will take square root this under square root. So under square root this will be acceleration per unit displacement. Also we can write this in terms of k and m. So omega was k by m. So since it is in denominator, we will take reciprocal of that. So t is equal to 2 pi into m upon k, since omega is equal to square root of k upon m. Now what is frequency of SHM? Now definition of frequency is number of oscillations performed by a particle performing simple harmonic motion per unit time is called the frequency of SHM. In time t, the particle performs one oscillation, hence unit time it performs 1 upon t oscillations. Now frequency of SHM is, this is the notation of frequency. So n will be reciprocal of period, so that will be also equals to omega upon 2 pi. We will take this equation again, 1 upon t reciprocal of this, so 1 upon 2 pi into k square root of k by m. So this is final equations for period, that is n is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under square root k by m. Hence we derived an expression for amplitude, time period and frequency of SHM in this session. Thank you.